Continuation with the common source JFET amplifier, we have already derived an expression for the voltage gain. Let us now solve a problem on that. Okay. So, what is the question? The question says that calculate the voltage gain of a common source JFET amplifier given that GM you all know, no, it is a mutual inductance or the transfer inductance, that is equal to 4 millisiemens and small Rd is equal to 10 kilo ohms. This is the first part of the question. Also find the voltage gain if 20 kilo ohm load resistance is connected across the output terminals. So, they have given the circuit. Okay. So, you are having the same thing. So, you know Rg, given that Rg is 1.8 and Rd is given, Rs is given and things like that. So, you know what they are asking in the first part of it, they are asking you to determine the voltage gain. So, what is the formula for voltage gain? You have learned that, isn't it? AV is equal to minus GM into the parallel small Rd, capital Rd and RL. So, what is given to us? The mutual conductance is given to us, small Rd is given, capital RL is given. Okay. In the first part of the question, they have not told us what is there. Even in the circuit diagram there is no RL. So, I need not worry about RL for part A part of the question. So, I can consider it to be RL is equal to infinity. So, what will happen to my equation? My equation will reduce to, so the formula of this will reduce to minus GM times small Rd capital parallel capital Rd. Okay. So, we know, no, given the value of small Rd and capital Rd, okay, capital Rd is 10 kilo ohms and in the diagram, circuit diagram, capital Rd is also 10 kilo ohms. So, small Rd parallel capital Rd will give you that it is equal to 5 kilo ohms. Okay. So, what is AV? AV is equal to minus GM into this. So, given that your GM is 4 millisiemens, 4 milli into 5K will give you minus 20. Now, what is asked in the part B part of the question? It asks you that if a load resistance of RL is connected, what is the voltage gain? So, what happens to the expression for voltage gain? It is minus GM into small Rd parallel capital Rd parallel capital RL. Okay. Then we have already seen small Rd parallel capital Rd is 5 kilo ohms. Okay. So, substitute that here. So, you have RL here. So, if you find this, you find that 5K parallel 20K is 4K and GM is 4 millisiemens. So, 4 milli into 4K will give you 4 into 4 is 16. So, you have minus 16. So, I hope solving the problem on this particular formula is pretty much easier.